This video is about synthetic division. For synthetic division, one polynomial function divided by x minus c, we will use synthetic division. Try to remember the following properties. Possible root in the corner, no missing power. Multiply and add, down 1 degree each time. Then f of c equals a remainder for possible root c. Let me show you some more examples. Part 3, use synthetic division for polynomial division. 17. X to the fourth power minus x third power plus 3x squared minus 6 divided by x minus 2. Roots in the corner. We need to figure out the root. X minus 2 equals 0, x equals 2. No missing power. We will figure out the coefficient. X to the fourth power, x third, x squared, we need a 0x here, then minus 6. 1, negative 1, 3, 0, negative 6. This is the coefficient for each term of this polynomial. Then drop down the first coefficient, 1. 1 times 2 is 2, adding is 1. 1 times 2 is 2, adding is 5. 2 times 5 is 10, adding is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. Then adding is 14. 14, we call this is a remainder. X to the fourth power. After one synthetic division, x to the fourth power will drop to x to the third power. Here is x squared, x. We call this is a quotient. So we can write down the answer like this. X third power plus x squared plus 5x plus 10. Remainder is 14, x minus 2. Conclusion. F of 2 equals remainder 14. X equals 2 is not a root of f of x. X minus 2 is not a factor of f of x. Let's go to number 18. Root in the corner. X plus 3 equals 0, x equals negative 3. No missing power. X to the fourth, third, we need a 0x squared here. So the coefficient will be 2, 4, 0, 3, negative 45. Multiply and add. Negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6. 4 plus negative 6, negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 3, 6. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 times negative 3, negative 18. Adding, negative 15. Negative 15 times negative 3, positive 45. 0. This is x to the fourth power. Drop down 1 degree. We have x third power, x squared, x minus 15. So for this division, your answer will be 2x third power minus 2x squared plus 6x minus 15. Conclusion. F of negative 3 equals 0. X equals negative 3 is a root of f of x. X plus 3 is a factor of f of x. And also -3, 0 is the x-intercept of f of x. Let's go to 22. We have this polynomial function divided by 2x minus 3. For synthetic division, we divide by x minus c. What if we have ax minus c? Then what we got to do? 6x to the 5th power plus 5x to the 4th power minus 9x 3rd power minus 6x squared minus 4. Then we take a 2 outside, you will get the x minus 3 over 2. For this part, we can use synthetic division. Then you make your quotient divided by 2. The remainder won't change. For roots, x equals 3 over 2. 3 over 2. No missing power. 6, 5, -9, -6, 0, -4. Drop down this 6. When you multiply a fraction, you will divide it by the denominator, multiply the numerator. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Adding 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 3, 18. Adding 12. 18. 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 times 3, 27. Adding 23 will be the remainder. But don't forget, you need to divide it by 2. The coefficient divided by 2. You will get 3, 7, 6, 6, 9. This is x to the 5th power. 1 degree down, x to the 4th, x 3rd, x squared, x plus 9. Then plus 23 over 2x minus 3. This will be the solution to this polynomial division. Let's go to conclusion. F of 3 over 2 equals 23. X equals 3 over 2 is not a root of f of x. Then 2x minus 3 is not a factor of f of x. Let's go to 23. Root in the corner. 3x plus 2 equals 0. X equals -2 over 3. No missing power. 3, -19, -104, -60. Drop down 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times -2 is -2. Adding -21. -21 divided by 3 is -7. -7 times -4 is +14. Adding -90. -90 divided by 3, -30. -30 times -2, +60. We get 0. Don't forget we divided by this 3 because we take 3 out. Get the x plus 2 over 3. Then we divide it by 3. 1, -7, -30. drop down 1 degree, x third power, x squared, x minus 30. So your answer will be x squared minus 7x minus 30. Conclusion. F of negative 2 over 3 equals 0. X equals negative 2 over 3 is a root of f of x. 3x plus 2 is a factor of f of x. Negative 2 over 3, 0, is the x-intercept of f of x.